JWF was actually originally founded in 1957. We have a wide variety of commercial-based products and commercial customers, and what we learned to do was take that and provide that drive and that cost-effective solution to the Department of Defense requirements, and we started actually subcontracting from Tier 1 prime contractors.
JWF has been working on ground combat vehicles for 15 years.
JWF is the primary fabricator for the armored cab. We will fabricate all the components, weld the components, do the blasting, and the cart painting.
The Army has certain requirements for the blast protection of the cab, and our solution exceeded those blast requirements.
Obviously, we have over 30 years metal fabrication experience, and we have over 190 certified welders, and we have some very highly qualified brake press operators that are, that we need for this particular program. We combine the might and the power of, Mack truck. And then you've got JWF Industries, top of the line metal fabricator, 30 years welding experience, and it's just an unstoppable combination.